Hello again. Today we'll move on to question 3 on paper 1, 2027 syllabus and focus on why business objectives are important for a manufacturing company like HLC. Key information from the case study here you see. These details must be used for application where it's required. Now let's look at question 3a. Calculate labor productivity. Show your working. This is a calculation question with the command word calculate. To gain full marks, you should use the correct figures, show the calculation clearly, and give the final answer in the correct unit. No explanation is required, only accurate calculation unit. You can write just the answer or you can show your working also, both of them acceptable. Question 3b. Outline 2 reasons why it is important for HLC to have business objectives. This is an outline question worth 4 marks. The command word outline means you must identify a reason and briefly apply it to the case. Each reason is worth 2 marks. 1 mark for knowledge, AO1, and 1 mark for application to HLC, AO2. There is no analysis or evaluation required, so keep each reason short, clear, and direct link to the case study. Now let's look at the answer. Reason 1. Business objectives give HLC a clear direction and target to work towards. For example, having objectives help guide decisions about expanding the chocolate factory and whether to proceed with horizontal integration. Reason 2. Business objectives allow HLC to measure success and monitor performance. For instance, HLC can use objectives to assess labor productivity and check whether its 80 employees are producing output efficiently while maintaining high quality. Question 3c. Explain 2 reasons why high quality might be important for HLC. This is an explain question, which means it takes AO1, knowledge, AO2, application, and AO3, analysis. You must give 2 different reasons, and for each one you need a clear reason, application to HLC's chocolate factory, and a developed explanation showing the impact on the business. Simple statements are not enough. Each reason must be explained to reach full marks. Now let's look at the answer. Reason 1. Maintain a good reputation and increase sales. High quality chocolate helps HLC maintain a good reputation as a private limited company. Satisfied customers are more likely to buy again, which can increase sales and revenue and support HLC's objective to expand. Reason 2. Reduce waste and production costs. High-quality production reduces defective chocolate and waste in the factory. With 80 employees producing 400,000 units per week, fewer faults, lower costs, improve efficiency, and increase profit margins. And the last one, question 3d. Do you think the advantages to HLC of horizontal integration are greater than the disadvantages? Justify your answer. This is an 8-mark evaluation question with the command word do you think, justify your answer. This means the question mainly takes AO4, evaluation, supported by AO1, knowledge, AO2, application, and AO3, analysis. To gain full marks, you must explain both advantages and disadvantages, apply them clearly to HLC, and then make a clear final judgment that is satisfied using the case study. Your justification must follow logically from your analysis and should not repeat earlier points. Now let's look at the answer. One advantage of horizontal integration for HLC is that it could remove a competitor that also sells chocolate, which would increase HLC's market share and revenue. This will help HLC achieve its objectives to expand and could also lead to economies of scale, lowering average costs as production increases in the factory. However, a disadvantage is the horizontal integration could make the business harder to control. Since quality is important to HLC, managing a larger workforce and operations could reduce labor productivity and lead to mistakes, which may negatively affect the quality of chocolate produced. Justification. Overall, the disadvantages are greater than advantages because maintaining high quality is essential for HLC. If quality falls due to poor control or lower productivity, HLC's reputation could be damaged and sales could decrease. This would reduce the benefit of expansion, making horizontal integration less suitable for HLC. Next, we'll continue with question 4, where we'll apply the same full marks evaluation techniques step by step. See you in the next video.